Welcome to CESMII, the Smart Manufacturing Institute, manufacturing's voice of innovation, powering the smart manufacturing movement. As an energized ecosystem, we are unique. We work tirelessly to drive industry's productivity and competitiveness ahead in the United States. We are built upon the network of our dedicated members' active leadership and engagement. At CESMII, we see a way forward, and we recognize industry's need for a clearer, more actionable vision for the smart, data-driven future of manufacturing. Growing manufacturing's productivity, sustainability, and competitiveness. We seek to revolutionize manufacturing by obliterating the barriers for rapid change and innovation. Manufacturing of tomorrow is an exciting space where the innovators, the trailblazers, and the makers all thrive, and where our brand is truly home.